The Tesla Cybertruck stands out with its futuristic, angular design featuring a unique aerodynamic shape. In contrast, the Ford Lightning maintains a more traditional pickup truck aesthetic with a boxy silhouette. The Cybertruck is built on a unibody platform, providing a more car-like ride and enhanced handling. On the other hand, the Lightning utilizes a body-on-frame construction, which is typically associated with better off-road capabilities and towing capacity. Both the Cybertruck and Lightning offer impressive range for electric vehicles. The Cybertruck generally has a slightly higher estimated range, but real-world range can vary depending on driving conditions and factors like speed and payload. In terms of efficiency, the Cybertruck tends to be slightly more efficient, especially at higher speeds. The Cybertruck's interior boasts a minimalist, futuristic design with a focus on clean lines and advanced technology. The Lightning, on the other hand, offers a more traditional pickup truck-style cabin with a blend of comfort and functionality. Regarding space, the Lightning typically provides a larger front trunk and more rear legroom, making it a more practical choice for families or those who frequently carry passengers. The Cybertruck, however, features a unique bed design and a flatter floor, which can offer advantages for certain cargo configurations. Both vehicles are equipped with advanced features including large touchscreens, advanced driver assistance systems, and wireless charging. However, the Lightning supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the Cybertruck does not, giving it a slight edge in terms of smartphone integration. Driving dynamics. The Tesla Cybertruck delivers impressive acceleration, thanks to its powerful electric motors. The Ford Lightning is also capable of quick acceleration, making it a formidable performer in its own right. In terms of handling, the Lightning offers a more traditional pickup truck-like experience, with a focus on stability and predictability. The Cybertruck, on the other hand, provides a more car-like feel, with sharper steering and more agile handling characteristics. Ride quality is another area where both vehicles excel. The Lightning's independent rear suspension contributes to a smoother and more comfortable ride, particularly on rough roads. The Cybertruck, despite its unibody construction, also offers a comfortable ride thanks to its advanced suspension tuning. Pricing. The Ford Lightning generally has a lower starting price compared to the Tesla Cybertruck. However, the Cybertruck's unique design and advanced features can justify its higher price point for some buyers. Additionally, the Lightning offers a wider range of trim levels and configurations to suit different budgets and preferences. Conclusion. The choice between the Tesla Cybertruck and Ford Lightning ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities. The Cybertruck is a groundbreaking electric pickup truck that offers a futuristic design, impressive performance, and advanced technology. However, it may not be the best choice for those who prioritize practicality, affordability, or traditional pickup truck features. The Ford Lightning provides a more conventional pickup truck experience, with a spacious interior, strong towing and hauling capabilities, and a lower starting price. It's a solid choice for buyers who want a capable electric truck without sacrificing traditional pickup truck attributes. Additional considerations: availability. The Cybertruck has experienced production delays, limiting its availability. The Lightning, on the other hand, has been in production for longer and is more readily available. Off-road capability. The Lightning's body-on-frame construction and available off-road features give it an advantage in off-road situations. The Cybertruck's unibody design may limit its off-road capabilities. Customization. The Lightning offers a wider range of customization options, including different trim levels, packages, and accessories. The Cybertruck, while offering a unique design, may have limited customization options. Future updates. Both Tesla and Ford have indicated plans for future updates and improvements to their respective electric pickup trucks. It's important to consider the potential for future advancements when making a decision. Charging infrastructure. The availability of charging infrastructure is a crucial factor to consider. Both Tesla and Ford have been expanding their charging networks, but the availability of charging stations may vary depending on your location. Government incentives. Government incentives and tax credits can significantly impact the overall cost of ownership for electric vehicles. Research the available incentives in your region to determine the potential savings. Personal preferences. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your personal preferences and priorities. Consider your driving style, daily needs, and budget to make an informed decision. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose the electric pickup truck that best aligns with your lifestyle and expectations. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the electric pickup truck market is rapidly evolving. New models and features are being introduced regularly, so it's essential to stay updated on the latest developments. Additionally, consider conducting test drives of both vehicles to experience their unique characteristics firsthand and make a more informed decision. To further enhance your understanding of the Cybertruck and Lightning, I would recommend exploring the following additional points. Safety features. Both vehicles offer a comprehensive suite of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Compare the specific features offered by each model to determine which aligns better with your safety priorities. Payload capacity. If hauling heavy loads is a priority, consider the payload capacity of each truck. The Lightning, with its body-on-frame construction, typically offers a higher payload capacity compared to the Cybertruck. Towing capacity. If towing trailers is a frequent requirement, compare the towing capacities of the Cybertruck and Lightning. The Lightning's body-on-frame design and powerful electric motors give it an advantage in this area. Battery warranty. Both Tesla and Ford offer warranties for their batteries. Research the specific terms and coverage of each warranty to understand the long-term costs and peace of mind associated with each vehicle. Maintenance costs. Consider the potential maintenance costs associated with each truck. Factors such as battery maintenance, tire replacements, and general upkeep can vary between models. Resale value. While it's difficult to predict future resale values, research the expected resale value of both the Cybertruck and Lightning to assess potential long-term costs. Community and support. Consider the size and engagement of the online communities and support networks for each vehicle. A strong community can provide valuable resources, advice, and a sense of belonging. By carefully considering these additional factors, you can make a more informed decision and select the electric pickup truck that best meets your needs and preferences.